Hello there, my name is Rounik Prashar and I am currently studying computer science engineering at BIT Mishra off campus Deoghar. Today I am here to discuss about interesting topic quantum computing, the future of computers. So let's start. In the past few years, computers have completely changed the way we live our life. From calculating simple sums to exploring outer space, science, agriculture, finance, any field, you name it. Computers are everywhere. In just a single touch, you can basically connect to anyone, even on the other part of the globe. This is the power that computers grant us. Some of these quirks almost seem magical, but at the core of every computer today, there lies nothing but this. Not exactly this, guys. Computers are actually binary. They understand 0 or 1, head or tail. Even though our computers are so powerful today, they are basically useless for some specific task. Even our most powerful computer cannot predict simple molecules like CAF. When our classical computers failed some task, our scientists designed a new fundamental design for computers. Using the same quantum properties that stopped us in the first place to our advantage, they made a new machine called quantum computer. So what is different in a quantum computer? How does it work? Actually, in quantum computers, there are quantum bits or qubits. Unlike the normal bits, a quantum bit is in a state of superposition. That is, it is both 0 and 1 at the same time. Because of this property, if we have n quantum bits, then they can store data equivalent to 2 to the power of n of normal classical bits. As you can see in this graph, this number grows exponentially. Just 20 of qubits can store data equivalent to a million of classical binary bits. In fact, just 300 of quantum bits can store the data of all the particles in our universe, that is 2 to the power 300. This is how powerful quantum computer is. Another interesting quantum property is entanglement. If two qubits are entangled, we can get the state of one qubit by determining the state of other instantaneously. By using both superposition and entanglement, our quantum computers can far surpass even the most powerful of supercomputers available today. So what are the potential applications of quantum computers? Quantum computers are definitely very powerful. They can be used to simulate molecules so that we can design better drugs to treat our disease efficiently. We can use quantum computers to train artificial intelligence and make AI even more powerful. Using quantum computers, we can model our universe and we can understand how it works. Quantum computers can also be used to find new way to model financial data and isolate global risk factors. So in every field, quantum computer has something to offer. Okay, if quantum computer is so powerful, if quantum computing is the best, then why aren't you watching this on your personal quantum computer? Or are you? Problem number 1, engineering threshold. Quantum computers require very specialized condition to work properly. They need temperatures below 0 Kelvin. That is colder than outer space. In fact, this thing that you get when you search for a quantum computer is nothing but a refrigerator. Although it does not look like one, but it is, trust me guys, it is a refrigerator. Its work is to only cool the quantum chip to a temperature so that it could run properly. Even if we figure out how to keep the working environment of our quantum computer checked, the quantum computer is not always better than our normal computers. Quantum computers are very powerful, very efficient for certain type of problems, but when it comes to watching a random person saying some random things, then your normal computer is more than enough capable of that. If not any worse, the quantum computer will definitely not make your experience any better. Quantum computing is at its infancy, which is basically at the same place at which our modern computing was back in 1950s. Computers took complete rooms, and people never thought that it will basically fit in everyone's pocket and they will use it for something like this. Yeah. So future is unforeseen. Some of the huge tech companies like Google, Amazon, IBM, Intel, they're investing their money and researching on this topic. It will certainly need major breakthroughs before we will reach to some level that the quantum computing will become mainstream. It has tremendous potential to change the world yet once again.